years ago, I joined a network marketing company. And by then, I was crushing that. I remember I can get 9 downlines in a week because I was doing really well. And my downline was happy. They learned so much from me. We have fun together, things like that. But after a year, that entire company gets shut down. Right. So I lost my entire business overnight. And the worst is that my downline stopped trusting me because I said that this is a great business. This is a lasting business. So they say, wow, this guy's a liar. So I feel frustrated as well because I say, wait, what happened? Then I realized if you want to find a business, you don't want to find something new, something fancy. You want to make sure it's a lasting business. So there are 2 keys here. You want to find a company that is legit and that is lasting. And also you want to make sure they won't shut down your accounts. So in this video, I want to talk about 4 criteria I'm using to find a great company to promote. Right. The first one is they are offering great products. So this is about your relationship with your audience. Because if you promote a crappy product, you're damaging your name, you're damaging your brand, right? So you cannot promote any crappy product. You should always promote great, legit products, right? Then second part is legit, right? So if your company is involving in the pyramid scheme or it's just a scam, right, they will get shut down by governments, right, by your local government or things like that. So you want to make sure the company is legit. So you can do to some website to look for reviews to check if they are offering like the legit business model. So the key here is if they do have a product or they just about selling the position, selling the dream, right? If they're selling only the dream, not the product, then that's not a legit company, right? Then you want to make sure they're internet marketing friendly because there are some business that are really conservative. They don't want you to use any kind of internet marketing to promote their products. So I remember I got a friend, he was so great about search engine optimization. So he built a website and he ranked it on the Google. But then he got shut down because the company said, hey, we don't allow SEO. We don't allow internet marketing. So you can only sell to people in person. And that's really frustrating. So when you are looking for a business, you want to make sure they are internet marketing friendly. Or if you are doing internet marketing, you may get shut down, right? Then also you want to make sure they can target international market. Now, because there are some company, they don't want to do international. They only want to stay in the local area. It's really hard for you to scale this kind of business. So those are the 4 criteria I'm using to find a company. So the key here is you want to make sure the company is lasting, right? They can last on the market forever. Or you want to make sure they don't shut you down because you do some internet marketing, right? So that's a key here. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.